Hi guys, thank you for joining me here at Ed Does Tech Ed, where we're going to be unboxing the Logitech Z333 2.1 speaker system with subwoofer. Logitech branded themselves as the #1 selling PC speakers brand, with bold sound is their slogan for this 80-watt model with strong bass for videos, games, and music. Bold sound, 40 watts peak power, delivers a maximum loudness via 2 satellite speakers and a large subwoofer. Enjoy rich, clear, bold sound. Strong bass. The front-facing subwoofer produces the rich bass, adding another dimension to your video games and music. Experience strong bass you can hear, and feel. The versatile setup connects up to 2 compatible devices via the 3.5mm and RCA inputs. No need to disconnect with switching between audio sources when connecting your set. Simple controls, easily access power, volume, and headphone jack using a wired control pod. Adjust the bass level with the dedicated control knob in the back of the subwoofer. Alright, now that I got everything out of the box and out of the plastic, I wanted to show you guys the back of the subwoofer. This right here is basically the bass tuner. So you turn it up, turn it down for the bass. It was right there set in the middle when I first got it. You have the plug for the outlet. You're also going to have the 3.5mm audio jack, which is attached very well to this very long controller here. I like this thing because it has the kind of like the rubber base, the padding there, so it's slip resistant. It's pretty simple as well. It's on, off, volume up and down, of course, and then you have a green indicator light when it's on. You're also going to have the 3.5mm headphone jack there. The only thing that was kind of weird was this bass, right? For the one I had before, you're going to see that there's this is the on-off, but it could control the bass on the controller as well, plus and minus right there. So that's going to be different. On this one, it's also a headphone jack as well as an aux jack. I'll leave for some speakers as well. But I do like how it's kind of turned like this, because I'm going to have it up there. And we're going to go to the speakers. This is the left one. The one that's blue, it's going to be the left output, and then the one that's black over here is going to be the right. I know that because down here, you're gonna see the black and the blue, and this was the right and this was the left. This is how it's gonna look at the front. The chamber there. I believe these are just for show. I'm not sure if it was this model or another one, but hopefully both of these things work. You're gonna actually see the angle too. So when you actually put it on the actual desk, it's not angled down like this, is angled up towards you, towards the person that's actually going to be listening to it. So that's pretty cool.
Like me, with times to worry and times to play, we'll say it's stress over. I used to care what people thought, but now I care.
Alright, so if anyone waited through that, thank you so much. That was me just pretty much breaking it in and testing out how it sounds for some of my different songs that I really love, and I've listened to hundreds of times. So I know exactly how they should sound, or how I've heard them before. They do sound a bit muddy and cotton ball-y, if that makes sense. I've researched, so, for new speakers, you have to break them in. They're not going to sound perfect out of the box, and I definitely did that for a month and a half of having this thing. Just a little bit over the price. We're going to have $80 here on the actual on the Logitech website for $80. But if you go to the Amazon, you're going to see it for $60, $59.99, which is where I purchased it for, thank God. $80 will probably be a little bit more than my budget accounted for, but you can see here it's going to be in stock November 23rd, 2020, but I'm sure you're going to see other people selling them as well. If you go down here to click this new 25 from $59.99 plus free shipping, so you have other people selling them as well, so try your luck there. A lot of great reviews here, as you can see, a lot of them. You can also see the comment that I said before about the aesthetics. I think I think this may not be a speaker, but you see here it's just for aesthetic purposes. It's just to fill that void in there. I believe this speaker is being used. All this wood is being used, you know, just for the sound. But to fill up this space, they put this little aesthetic here, this tweaker. There's tweeter. They're saying they're giving it 1 star. I don't think it deserves a 1 star just because of that. To be honest, these have been great. It's a huge upgrade from the ones I had before. I mean, I wasn't huge, but definitely a comparable quality. You can tell the quality wise, it's much better than the ones I had before, around 35 bucks. These are 60 bucks on sale, 80 bucks regular MSRP. If you guys want to pick these up, remember they're out of stock here, but check here for other people who are selling them. Thank you for coming. If you guys want me to do a review on this, just let me know. Probably not, but if you guys want me to do another review on this, just let me know. Thank you for coming to Ed Does Tech Ed. Take care.
Ed Does Tech